The UK Vision Strategy is a uniting framework for the sector, bringing together and emphasising the priorities that need to change to get us first-class eye health and sight loss services right across the UK. The conference is about bringing together examples of best practice, plus we have some absolute keynote speakers, the leaders in the field, to take forward and bring new ideas. So it's about the basis to make things better for the future. In the morning we run 3 streams, one of which looks particularly at outcome 1, which is the prevention agenda. How do we stop people losing their sight? The next stream will look at what's called outcome 2. And that's about eye health services for people who've got a problem identified, and those early stages when unfortunately a proportion of people are given the diagnosis that things can't be made better. Their sight will not be restored. New this year, we've also added to the morning a research stream. As I say, research is so much more important than it was. We've always had posters, but what we have now is we're going to have some oral presentations, quick-fire ones, 10-minute ones, so people can talk about what they're doing as well. And the final one looks at society as a whole. How do people with sight loss get around the barriers which we who are sighted put up without even thinking about it? So that's what happens in the morning, and it's mainly about examples of good practice, followed by discussion. The afternoon we break down even more into specific masterclasses, and these really are about two-way learning, about debate, about examples coming forward. So it's going to be a really good conference. This year is quite special because last year we relaunched the strategy for the period 2013 to 18. This built on what we'd done before. It's looking at where are the new priorities coming, and they seem to be mainly coming about the need for really good research to underlie everything we do. Also, more emphasis on children and young people. They have very different needs to the older population. And finally, looking at emotional support and rehabilitation. The conference will take place at the QE2 Centre in central London, where we've been for the last few years. Go onto our website, find the tickets to get your delegate, to get yourself booked as a delegate. We have special rates for the moment. Our early bird rates, now is a good time to get on and book.